Hello guys, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a sweet cookie. It's heart, it's shape of heart. So watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. For this purpose, first of all, I have taken a color 24. You have to draw two dots. Okay, then you have to draw a heart. Okay, one, and the second one is you have to come here. You have to hold your paper as well and come to your here. Okay, nicely done. So now what is more we have to do, I will choose now a different color like pink. Okay, I have taken pink 124.5 and you can choose your own as well, but now I will draw with rough line, like not too much rough, but it's a little bit. Look, I put a dot here because it's easy. We have to know where is our destination. So here I will come. I came, and now for here you have to follow this heart as well, and it's easy for you to draw it. Even you can go down to up. No, it's, I think so, up to down it's better option. So nicely done. So now what's more, you have to draw one more inside as well, because of we have to fill it later. You have to come down and come to your destination, and same I will do it here. Okay, now what's I have to do, I have to fill this and this with color, with pink color and with here. Okay, I fill it quickly. So now I will draw a pink color 704 here between it. I draw it quickly. So guys, nicely done. I have colored between it. So now what's more, we have to add three colors more upper side. This is purple, red, and this is for sweets like this, and it's look like beautiful when you draw it on your biscuit like this. And red one, and the last one is pink. I will add. Okay, nicely done. So now what is missing? The special thing, always we draw smiley face. So for smiley face, first of all I have to draw a mouth. Okay, and this mouth I will draw it here. Okay, so I will fill it with red color. This is open mouth. Okay, and now we will use this color for open face. Okay, nicely done. So now it's what's more we have to draw eyes, round eyes. I will draw here one and the second here. Okay guys, so now you have to this one and this one, this one, this one we have to leave like this, and we have to fill it. The remaining part we have to fill it. I fill it quickly. So nicely done, but the last thing I have to do it, I have to make a round with black it, and I do it quickly. So children's, nicely done. It's your cookie is ready, so you can eat now. But I would like to say, please subscribe my channel always, and please watch full video always, and so share your friends so you can make together one drawing. So be careful. Until the next video, we make more drawings and we meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.